Hi guys, Englishman here. Gonna try something different out on my terrace here. I bought one of these covers, so got no sun at all. We're gonna do a taste test. Twisties, 50 years. I remember coming here 1977. I remember them selling it that. Maltese people have bought up on this. Ask any Maltese person, and as a kid they have had it. It's a rice-based snack. It is not fried. It was one of the first ones that's not fried. It's baked. This was by Ray Calais. I think he invented it. Then Darryl Lee Foods took it on. Still being made in the original factory in Malta. And this year is the 50th anniversary. So what we're going to do is have a taste. Some of you expats know it. Tourists, I'm sure you've tried this because it's all over Malta. It's #1 seller. Rice baked snack. But no, not just this original one. It's coming out in bacon, light, so you can watch the waistline, chicken, and this is barbecue, smoky barbecue, and the original. So what we're going to do is try them, and something new, Twisties squeezable chip. So experience of taste, and it's got a cheesy taste. So notice of it tastes a little bit like, let me see if we go, oh I didn't open it yet I think. Let me see. Let's open it. You can see, so I bought him from the supermarket. Wow, yeah, it smells lovely. Got a cheesy smell. Let's try this first. Give it a squeeze. We'll have to open it at top as well. I'm going to just put it straight on here. Suppose you undo this. That's a big blob. This is a Maltese water biscuit. Galetti they call it in Maltese. Used it for bagilla, for dips, all sorts of things. Yeah, this has got a really nice taste. A bit different to Twisties, got a bit more tangy flavour. I like that. That you could put it in on toast, in some kind of food, I was imagining. It's like a thick, cheesy taste. Let's start with the original. Can I see what they are like? Rice, baked, really crunchy. I love these. I remember eating them. Could eat the whole packet. That's got a really good taste. It's squeezable. The wind is picking up terrible. But I'm on the 4th floor, so this is an experiment. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. Maybe I'll do some lives up here. I'm trying to sort out the Wi-Fi. Well, but I've tasted this lots of times. That's the original. This is the light. Don't forget, this is baked, not fried. So that's why it's a bit crunchy. Tastes a little bit of difference. It doesn't have the taste isn't as strong. Low in fat, low in salt. Maybe that's why. Look at the shape. It's like a lot of rice, I think they put together. I'd like to go to the factory. I'm not sure if they go. Maybe when they see this video, they'll invite me. See how many views I get. I prefer the original. We could be watching the waistline. Twist is low in fat and salt. Smoky barbecue. Oh, it's got like a brown colour to it. Oh, well, this is good. We've got like a bacon taste to it as well. I like this one. Still like the original, but something different, eh? Yeah, this is a good one. Smoky barbecue. Chicken flavour. Let's see if there's any whole chicken in here. Oh, this is very light in colour. Yeah, aftertaste of chicken. Maybe because the tastes are getting mixed up now. I need to get a gist to wash it down. Yeah, you're getting the chicken flavour now. Salty though, it's a little bit salty. Baked, gluten free. I think all these are gluten free as well, yeah. So they're all of Twistees gluten free. So that's good if you've got some problems. Yeah, this is a good one. You get that sort of aftertaste of chicken. I think this is a good one. Chicken flavour. Last one, the original baked snack, bacon. My favourite bacon. This is good. Bacon flavour. Very nice. You find these in all the shops, convenience stores. At the moment 55 cents. I don't know if the other flavours are the same price, but the original is 55 cents. Good like a snack, eh? Gluten free as well. I'm going to try this squeezable. I've got to sort out the top one. You know what, this would be good? If you're doing some cheese on toast. Make the cheese and you spread this on the top. Got like a nice tangy flavour. Only trouble up here, lots of wind, and the last few weeks we've been having these sort of gusts. If you hear me okay, comments below. If you're interested in a live up here, I'll try and do it. I'm trying to plan maybe Saturday afternoon. Twistees, happy 50th anniversary. Squeezable, original, low in fat, smoky bacon, and this is chicken. And there was a bacon. Where's the bacon gone? Oh, and bacon. I'm gonna finish them up. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the videos. That was a great video from St. Petersburg. And when I went down there, I know I should have took the car and I hiked in that bloody heat. It was tremendous. I noticed some great, there's a lighthouse down there, and there's some more rocks. That's an adventure coming up soon. Take care guys, hope you're enjoying the rest of your day. Send a stamped addressed envelope and I'll send you a packet of Twistees. See you guys, take care. Englishman in Malta.
I'm Englishman from Malta, and I will show you all the signs. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.